daming handa si Rebecca. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Rebecca! Happy birthday! Ang daming handa, guys. My friend's birthday today. Rebecca's birthday. Yan, ang handa niya, guys. Yan. Ang handa niya, guys. Hawakan mo yung balon. Hawakan mo yung balon para makita si Rebecca. Doon kayo. Sige na, excited. Excited ang Rebecca. Excited ang birthday celebrant, guys. Ang dami niyang handa. Nagbibihis pa, guys. Hintayin natin. Hintayin natin. Yan. Sige. Yan na, guys. Lalabas na. Hintayin natin. Wow! Yan na, guys. Ang birthday celebrant. Guys, she is 35 years old. Wow! Sabihin ka na dito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rebecca. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Where is the candle? Blow the candle. Hawakan mo yung cake mo. Make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish. Her birthday. Make a wish first. Happy birthday, Rebecca. Make a wish.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday. Ito kami. Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday. Yan, guys. Thank you, guys.